Hey, I'm Todd from Johnson Auto Body, and today we're going to talk about if you get in an accident with your car and you got a wrap on it. So wraps are a newer thing that's been around, they've been around a while, but long enough that people get into accidents with them and stuff like that. And it's a cool option for an older car too, if you just want to change the color up or whatever. I think they're neat. Heck, even some new cars, you can order them from a factory with a wrap on them. So it's becoming more and more relevant. So if you get in an accident and your car's got a wrap on it, there is some things you got to know. So like underneath that is still painted like a normal car, and we have to paint it back just like it was before. So we have to blend adjacent panels and things like that to make sure that if you ever take that wrap off, your car looks right. Because if you don't, and something happens, you change your mind or whatever down the road, or it wears out, wraps wear out after 5 years or so. You wanna make sure your car's right underneath the wrap. So when you take it off, it looks the way it's supposed to look. The other thing on that, keep in mind, is that the inks that they use to print those wraps and stuff like that, they do fade eventually, just like paint would fade and things like that. Anything that's out in the sun's gonna fade. So a lot of times we have to get your whole entire car rewrapped so that it matches, because it's the same as paint. You can't just put one panel on a side or something and it look all right. You gotta do all of it. So if you do have a wrap, make sure you tell your insurance company that you have that, along with any other kind of aftermarket things, because most companies are gonna put a cap on that. So if they have to rewrap your whole car and that costs $5,000, and your insurance company only has $1,000 worth of coverage for your wrap, it's a problem. So you want to make sure that you're covered on that. If you have any questions about any of that sort of stuff, just give us a call here at Johnson Auto Body.